Blessed is the one whose transgressions are forgiven, whose sins are covered. Blessed is the one whose sin the Lord does not count, and in whose spirit is no deceit. We are forgiven. When I kept silent, my bones wasted away. Through my groaning all day long, your hand was heavy upon me. My strength was gone. And then I confessed my sin to you, and you forgave me. You took away my guilt, you set me free. You are my hiding place. You surround me with songs of deliverance. I will rejoice, I will rejoice in you. You set us free. Protect me from trouble. You surround me with songs, songs of deliverance. I will sing of your mercy, I will sing of your grace. You have filled my heart with joy again. Songs of deliverance. Rejoice in the Lord and be glad. You sing, all you who are upright in heart. Rejoice in the Lord and be glad. Lift your voice and sing. Rejoice, be glad. You are our hiding place. You have forgiven us. No more shame, no more fear. We are restored in you. We will rejoice forever in the mercy of the Lord. Songs of deliverance we will sing again. We are forgiven.